I'm going to show you how to pay a bill that a tutor issues to you on TutorBees.net. I will walk you step by step through the process. First of all, you will click on the menu button. Then you will click on Bills and Payments. You can see the unpaid bill here. You can see the due date of it. You need to pay the bill before it expires. To pay the bill, you will need to click Generate Bill. Now, you can see the invoice. This is your paper ID. You will need this ID to pay your bill. You can copy it by clicking this button. If you want to pay through your mobile wallet like JazzCash, EasyPaisa, SadaPay, etc., click on one link button to get specific instructions for your mobile wallet. Let's check one of the wallet's instructions. As you can see, it is showing step-by-step instructions to pay the bill of PayPro. You can see the relevant option highlighted with the red box. Just remember that the PayPro ID that is given in your invoice will be needed in the end to pay the bill. Feel free to contact us at admin@TutorBees.net for any query or suggestion.